Welcome back to another episode of Classic Chrome with Dave. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you like and subscribe. Many thanks to the people who have subscribed so far. Let's talk about the 1956 Chevy pickup. It was part of the new Task Force Style series from 1955 to 1959. Beautiful trucks. Take a look at the package. What you're looking at isn't just a truck. This is 1956 American heartbeat on four wheels. And it might be one of the cleanest Chevy pickups you'll ever see. No flashy paint, no overdone chrome. Just clean, simple design, done right. The 1956 Chevy pickup was part of Chevrolet's Task Force lineup. The first trucks designed to feel less like farm equipment and more like everyday drivers. And in '56, Chevy stepped it up. A wide grille, smooth body lines. Under the hood, you had options. A rugged inline six came standard. This was the 235 cubic inch Thriftmaster 6, delivering 140 horsepower. Then, there was Chevy's legendary small block V8, the 265 cubic inch Trademaster V8, offering 155 horsepower. This short stroke V8 provided higher performance for light duty and half-ton models. Now, this wasn't just a work truck, it was something you could enjoy driving. And look at this one. This is what happens when you take classic DNA and refine it. Back in 1956, these trucks were built to haul, tow, and survive hard use. Today, they become one of the most desirable platforms for custom builds. The '56 Chevy pickup, built to work and impossible to ignore. If you like what you saw, check out one of my other videos that we have here. You can find us on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Make sure you check us out. Till then, I'm Dave. Thank you for watching. Peace, and keep the classics alive.